Welcome to Ride Reviews Pro, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster S, a bike that continues to redefine what it means to be a modern American cruiser. Built for riders who crave raw torque, bold design, and advanced technology, this year's Sportster S is a thrilling evolution of Harley's performance line. Design and styling. The 2025 Sportster S immediately grabs attention with its aggressive stance and muscular silhouette. Harley has refined the design with subtle yet impactful updates, sharper body lines, new color schemes, and improved finish quality. The low, wide profile, coupled with the high-mounted exhaust and chunky tires, reinforces its street-dominating attitude. Every element, from the LED lighting to the minimalist tail section, speaks of performance and precision. Harley has managed to balance classic inspiration with futuristic aesthetics, creating a bike that feels timeless yet unmistakably modern. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Sportster S lies the Revolution Max 1250T engine, a liquid-cooled V-twin powerhouse delivering around 121 horsepower and 94 lb-ft of torque. This year, Harley has fine-tuned throttle response and heat management, resulting in smoother rides both in traffic and on open highways. The 6-speed gearbox remains crisp, while the slipper clutch ensures confident downshifts. Whether carving through city streets or charging down back roads, the Sportster S delivers a responsive and exhilarating performance that honors Harley's racing DNA while embracing modern engineering. Technology and features. Harley-Davidson continues its digital evolution with the Sportster S's 4-inch TFT display, which provides full Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and easy access to ride data. The 2025 model introduces improved ride modes Sport, Road, Rain, and Custom, each refining throttle, traction, and ABS behavior. Cornering enhanced safety systems and a fully adjustable suspension setup ensure that the Sportster S feels stable and planted, even during aggressive maneuvers. Every ride feels more connected, intuitive, and safe. Comfort and ergonomics. Though the Sportster S leans toward performance, Harley has reworked the seat and handlebar ergonomics for greater comfort on longer rides. The lower seat height and balanced weight distribution make it approachable for riders of varying experience levels. Despite its powerful presence, it's surprisingly agile and manageable, perfect for both weekend cruises and daily commutes. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster S represents a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. It's a bold statement that Harley can evolve without losing its soul. With unmatched style, thrilling performance, and advanced technology, this motorcycle is not just a ride, it's an experience. For riders seeking modern muscle with iconic attitude.